Hey, special live Discord members! How are you this morning? Who is with me? Say hi, don't be shy. Hi, Iran, thank you very much for joining. How is 2024 for you? Happy Wednesday, Iran. How are you? Hi, Amir, thank you very much for joining. Let me put my phone away so we can do this live without any interruptions. So, how are you? Let me adjust over here. 1 second. How do you like my new layout? This cloud surrounding me. How do you like it? I'm good, thank you very much. Hi, Tzachi, thank you very much. Oh, Tzachi, long time no see, my friend. Where have you been? You have been missed. I'm good, thank you very much, Amir. Got a little cold, but hopefully I'm over it. Let me know how's the sound. How's the view? How is the sound? You're back. You are back and stronger than ever. Good to see you, my friend. Good to see you. Hope to see you more in the premium room and in the swing room. You are a power. So, what should we talk about? Hi, Eddie. Hi, Oren. Thank you very much for joining. Eddie also. Long time no see, my friend. How is 2024 treating you so far? I got some feedbacks that I'm playing with the mouse, with the cursor, too much. I know some things are not in our control. How do I see the total week? I don't know. Just follow price. What do we see? Still in an uptrend. You see, this is why we have the FTI. Still in an uptrend until proven otherwise. And before I forget, a new addition for the FTI. Second channel. Boom. Look at this. All you need to do, click here, go here, put the second channel, the deviation multiplier 2 is the outer channel. Just leave it on 1. You can play with the values here, but from my experience, just leave it on 1 and play with the inner one, and then the outer one, as you can see, also changes by itself because it calculates one inside another. It's all about Fibonacci. Fibonacci ratios, Fibonacci numbers. Amazing world. Anyway, we have this addition. Now, what do we see? Uptrend until proven otherwise, right? We are above the yellow zone. Yes, we got a sell signal, but nothing much. Hi, Zorik. Zorik is a new member in the premium room. Welcome, Zorik. Sunday, I'm super excited to start this path to financial freedom. As you can see, Fibonacci-Traders is financial freedom through trading. It's not just, I don't know how to say it, a Facebook, I don't know, Instagram. It's true. This is true. A little bit noisy. All the things around me. Yeah, I can change it. Let's see. 1 second. Let's see how we change it. Wait. Now, less noisy. How is it now? So overall, market pretty strong. Bulls are still strong. Don't fight the trend. This is why we have the FTI. So, Amir, you You asked about how to manage stop loss. Let's manage stop loss without the FTI, without anything on our chart, because if we are professional traders, we don't need anything on our chart, right? Do you have an example of how to use your stop loss? Let's take an example. Do you have a specific name you want to go over? Let's take Crocs, for example. We are long on Crocs, at least I am, since last week. I took long on Crocs. Now, how do you manage your stop loss? Easy. ATR. This we don't need. You have the ATR, right? Now, how do you do it? Closing price. Let's say I've entered 124.87. 124.87? Yeah, 124.87, somewhere here. And as you can see, for now I'm under the water. 124.87 here. Okay, this is my entry point over here. Why? Because I took it according to this weekly chart. Now, my stop loss is according to the daily. If I'm according to the weekly, it's the entry price What do you mean TIT? What is TIT? The FIT or TIT? Wait, let's talk about stop loss without the FIT. If I took Crocs on the weekly, it means I'm trading according to the weekly. So my stop loss is the entry point minus the ATR. That's it. 124, which is, let's do it, 124. Where's my calculator? 124.87 minus 9 point. I like to give to the ATR a little bit more. Minus 9.4. 115.47, which means 115.47. Here. This is my stop loss. This is my stop loss. Tight. There is no such thing as a too tight stop loss. As long as you are following this simple rule, you are good to go. You have your ATR, so give it a little bit more. In this case, it's 9.3. I gave it 9.4, and that's it. This is my stop loss. And as you can see, it's also below last week lows. So it means if this week breaks below last week's lows, I don't want to be in this trade because it makes a lower low, right? And this is how it looks on the daily. This is where my stop loss is. If I'm working according to the daily, my stop loss should be 124.87 minus 387, which means 121 over here. Give it a little bit more, just below here. Or take the Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high, right? Now, 124.87 minus the ATR is 121. 121 is here. But the next Fibonacci support is here. So put it just below the next Fibonacci support. Put it at the 120.50, 120.55. That's it. Simple as that. Now you have also trend lines. So how we work with stop loss with trend lines? You do like this. You have this trend line. Broke below the trend line, but one candle does not change the overall sentiment. But if it will close below this Fibonacci, so that's it. I want out, because you have 2 to the downside, as we learned, right? Now a close below this one, it's another 2 to the downside. It also can throw you out during trading hours and then go back up, but there's nothing to do. This is the game. This is the game. Any other questions? Let's see here. We're going up. Look at the Fibonacci FTI new trend lines. Amazing. Any other questions? What else do you want me to talk about? What else? Haven't you prepared any questions? Any questions whatsoever? Nothing? Nothing? How about, how often this? How often do you review and adjust your trading strategies? You have your strategy for day trading, you have your strategy for swing trading. How often do you review it? Every week, every month, every year? It depends. For me, I review it every month. Every end of the month, I go. Every week, I go over my day tradings during the past week. Every month, I go over my swing trading, and then I see where did I enter, where did I put my stop loss, did I follow my rules? And as you know me, I have a very strict rules, very simple, but very strict rules. Now, if I managed to follow my rules and still I'm on the bad side, on the wrong side, something is off. What do I mean by that? Maybe in some conditions, some market conditions, my strategy doesn't work, which is perfectly fine. We need to accept it. What do I mean by that? If I have days like these days, as you can see, in the past 2 weeks or so, QQQ is moving sideways. If I want to go long or short on the QQQ according to my strategy, I will not, for swing trading, I will not succeed because I don't have a clear trend. Same goes for Shopify. My strategy doesn't work when I have a sideways move, so I don't trade. This is how you know when your strategy is working or not. Some days, as you can see, I don't post almost nothing in the Discord because I don't see anything that sets with my strategy. So I know in these days my strategy isn't working in current market conditions, which means we are traders. We do not have to trade every day. We don't. Even if we are day trading, it doesn't mean we have to take everyday trade. No. Swing trading, we don't need to. We have our open positions. Manage our open positions. Don't look all the time to open new positions just because you are trading, and if you sit and do nothing, then you feel like doing nothing. It's okay. Perfectly fine doing nothing. 2, 3, 4 days, 1 week, do nothing. Perfectly fine, because our only job is to manage our risk. Hi Faiz, thank you very much for joining. Eran, can you explain about the difference at the FTI? Auto fib length and deviation. Yeah. The auto fib is this, is the horizontal Fibonacci as we know it. Depends on the trend that you want to take under consideration. The lower the auto fib, the lower the trend. Can take it reverse. Usually for swing trading, I work with the 34 or the 55 for swing trading on the daily. Now, for this, for the trend lines, it's this. This is the deviation multipliers for the trend lines. They're also, as you can see, according to the Fibonacci ratios. So this is the difference. This is for the channels, and this is for the Fibonacci. Same as you do like this. You take Fibonacci, let's say swing low, swing high, right? Now you need to add trend lines. So you add trend lines. This is the Fibonacci trend lines. So instead of doing this, you have the FTI. Now, if you don't know how to use the Fibonacci channel, great. Let's do it. How do you use the Fibonacci channel? First you have this Fibonacci channel. How do you use it? Depends on the trend that you are trading. Let's say we want to trade since November, since October. So we need 2 lows, 1 high, because it's an uptrend, right? You have this low, low, high. But as you can see, it's not really helpful. So what do you do? You go the other side. You go with the higher highs. You take 2 highs, as you can see, high and high. And now you need for the lower low here. And as you can see, Fibonacci gives you everything. You can go also from here to here. Look, now you have all the levels to the upside, all the Fibonacci trend lines to the upside. Once again, let's do it on Tesla. We are in a downtrend, so you can take 2 lower highs, like this or like this, and then look for the lower lows. Here you have. You see, this is the extension. Look how it works perfectly. You can do it a little bit tighter if you can take this one. And of course you can add. You can add a 2 to the downside, 2.7, 2618, 3, everything. It will calculate. This is how you use the Fibonacci trend lines. Once again, let's do it on NVIDIA. You have an uptrend, clear uptrend. You take this low, and a high. Here you have. You see? This above the green line is the extensions. You see how it works? Extensions. Of course, it could be a little bit more accurate. And then you believe. But this is it. Add this one. And now add the Fibonacci. And you have everything that you need. Now it looks a little bit 4D, right? Too messy on the eyes. This is why we have the FTI. This is why I developed the FTI. So we don't need to adjust it by ourselves. This is automation. Any other questions? Any other requests? I hope that... Faiz, any questions? Come on, Faiz. Ask me question. Any questions, ladies and gentlemen? This is special live for you. I want you to come prepared with questions, with problems, with anything that I can help you. This is why I do these lives, to help you. You are my Fibonacci Traders members. I want to help you. You are the special ones. Yes, we have the live. We will go over charts, chart requests. But these special lives are for you. Ask me anything. It's make land for the price. This is the roadmap for price action. So if no other questions, no other requests, I thank you very much for joining this special live. Next special live, hopefully tomorrow is Thursday already. Tomorrow maybe we'll do another one. Another special live. Zorik wants Google. First, we have this. So, I don't pay attention to anything, Eran, you know me. I pay attention to price, that's it. So, Zorik and Tzachi, go to this link. This is the daily market recap in Hebrew. I go over Google and Tesla. So make sure you watch it. I post it every day around 7 or 8 a.m. Israel time. So make sure you watch it. And I'm going to prepare for the next live. Tomorrow we'll do another special live. So please come prepared with questions that I can answer, how to make you better traders. Zoe, go to this link. Just click this link. I closed and CPI. Tomorrow is not CPI. When is CPI? CPI is tomorrow. It's not this week. It's next week. Yeah, I close before CPI, but it's not this week, or is it? As far as I can, let's see. CPI is March 12, and then March 14th we have PPI. Zori, go to this link that I just posted. You have all the daily, all the market recap that you need, including Google. Powell today's, yes, so every day there are news. Every day. If I will need to follow the news, I will not trade at all. News are a part of it. So, thank you very much for joining. Tomorrow, another special live, hopefully. Be prepared, come with questions, and any problems, issues, questions that I can answer live and help you become professional traders. Thank you very much. Until the next live, which is 4 minutes away, stay safe.